Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Stinger GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are a 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, full-time, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.